Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add credits animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to add the credit animation. At first, select any object. Now I am select the text box. Go to the animation menu. We can see here many animation. Now I am select the drop down menu, but we can see here not available the credit animation. Then we go to the more entrance effect. Now we can see here many animation. Now we find and select the credit animation. Then click OK. Then select another object and edit the same animation. Then click OK. Now we want to see the all animation at once. Select the preview option, and we can see here the credit animation we make easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.